Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can play games on Temu. It's pretty simple. After you open Temu, you can click on search at the top of your screen. And over here you want to search for Fishland. Once you search for Fishland, basically it's going to show you game just like this. Now from over here you can play whichever game you want. So I can choose this little thing. I'm going to click on pick it, continue. So basically I've already played the game and I've won like a chance of getting 2 gifts. That's why it's directly showing me this. But in your case, it's going to ask you to spin a wheel. And after you spin a wheel, you're going to win this prize, alright? So it depends on it. So I'm just going to click on no thanks. And over here, I can type fish game as well. So fish game. As you guys can see, if I search for fish game, it's going to load up another game over here. So you need to keep that in mind. So just search for fish game or fish land and it's going to let you play games on Temu. So keep that in mind. I hope you understand how we guys can play games on Temu. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.